didn't have enough time to record, so let's get to the money. I bought this the other day from what was that? Walmart. Looks like it's gonna be good. I need it so I can be up and alert because I'm tired. Toaster strudels. I got this for the TikTok. There's like a TikTok called the Big Back Snacks or something like that, and I was gonna make it. I'm still gonna make it, just haven't did it yet. See what this tastes like. I got this mask on. Nobody's sick, but I don't want to get sick. Y'all know what it's like coming in these places. Oh, making a mess. Uh-oh. Look how my little best friends do me, y'all. It's nothing in here. I'm so mad, bro. I wanted me a little... It's over with. Yeah, I'm about to watch Castaway. Good movie. If you haven't seen it, it is a good movie. Tubi. I know that somebody's probably gonna get on my case about what I have on, but I swear, I just feel like as long as I'm here, right? I know it's unprofessional. If you're a leader, you're supposed to lead so others can follow. And I definitely, yeah, I think I feel bad about it, honestly. But I'm here. I'm actually comfortable too. These are my relaxing clothes when I'm painting or like just doing stuff around the house. I mean, I'm clean. I don't know y'all. What y'all think? Fit check. Let me stop playing. I'm at work. Y'all know what time it is. I'm not about to do nothing special. Just needed to upload. I am consistent. I'm going to continue to be consistent, but the quality isn't there. I am a long way from having that great quality. Let me get that up. Anyway, like I said, I just want to upload for y'all today. Y'all see, I was running late to work, but I'm here. So it don't matter where I got on, right? Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later.